We are in our second day of Jaipur after having an amazing evening at Masala Chak. We are now waking up this morning, and our host of the Airbnb we are staying at will be making us breakfast. So, in this episode, I wanted to focus the whole episode on the creation of paratha because I think it would be something great for us to learn how it is made and all the work that goes into it. And if there's one thing I know about flatbreads, nobody does it like India. When it comes to baking breads, there's like so many kinds of breads. There was a restaurant we went to that had 30 flavors of paratha, and we were in heaven there. It was delicious. That's where we learned that a paratha was actually a very common Indian breakfast, and we never knew that. So I saw Aloo Paratha in the menu. I was like, all right, let's do this for breakfast. Pretty awesome. Leah loves noodles. She's gonna do that. She's already done knitting. That was fast. So she's resting for 5 minutes after finish knitting it. So what is the resting? Is that giving it a chance
It
to...
will be soft. Right, like if I use it right now, it is not going to roll it properly. All the cracks will come.
Oh.
So if I just keep it for rest, for at least for 5 minutes, it will soak all the extra water. This flour will soak extra water, and it will be soft.
What does masala mean?
The stuffing.
Oh.
Great stuffing.
Like the aloo.
Potato. So this is grated potato.
Wow.
Grated potato. A little bit of oil. We want to give a color to the vegetable,
Yes.
and it should not be oily. Then we use mustard oil.
Okay.
Otherwise, we use vegetable oil or soya oil.
Soy oil.
Yeah. So this is vegetable oil.
Okay.
I'm using vegetable oil in a pan. Just a spoon of oil in it. Now I'll put some cumin seeds in it.
This is...
So now I'm adding some onion, chopped onion. This is aloo paratha. Pyaz is onion. Yeah.
Aloo is
Potato.
the Hindi word for potato. And pyaz is the Hindi word for onion.
Pyaz is onion. Okay, awesome.
So now one thing, onion always leave its water. And if I mix potato with onion, it will be very sticky.
Oh.
To avoid that thing, I'm going to put a spoon of chickpea powder.
Oh.
We call besan. This is chickpea powder. And I'm just adding one small spoon of chickpea powder to avoid that stickiness. While during rolling on the pan, it will help me to bind the stuffing.
That is awesome.
Every day is a new day, and every part of cooking is experiment, and my families are the guinea pigs. Now I'll add first thing. I'll tell you this. This is the masala, homemade masala, crushed. It's crushed.
Oh, okay.
So all the masalas which is in it, it's here. So I just crushed it. I'll put it in this.
That makes it convenient.
Yes. To give color, I'm putting this turmeric powder, some coriander powder. Now I'll add salt
Nice.
and just to give a color,
Wow.
red chili powder. That's it.
You guys thought paratha was simple. This is like a lot of love.
So now I've added water. I've added salt in it. So all the water, the onion water, natural water. This
It'll become dry, right? Like a...
yes.
Oh,
So you
okay.
can see the dryness of
Yeah, that's
that
awful.
onion.
It is very true because we mix onions with a lot of things, but onions bleed a lot.
The moment you mix salt, the vegetable itself leave the water. Ginger, grated ginger.
Oh, okay.
Grated ginger in it. Just to give a flavor, extra flavors. Or a bit of green chili if you want. If you love hot, then use green chili or red chili powder.
All right.
Make it hot, otherwise no need. Now it goes
The potatoes are going in.
potato.
And those are still a bit wet, but
Yes. So
At
this.
least we're going into a dry ingredient now.
Yes.
I thought I knew what I was doing, but I came to Aloo.
This is amchur powder, like dry mango powder.
Really?
This is dry mango powder, and it always make a tangy taste to your food. So this is the quantity, or you can, if you want, just 1 spoon.
Okay.
It will give you tangy taste.
Wow.
And now I'll mix it. Fresh coriander leaves. So this is ready. So now
It's like,
you can see the texture of the dough.
oh.
It's soft.
So it's smooth, it's soft, it's not grainy anymore.
Yes.
Just that time to rest made it spongy, smooth ball of dough. Yeah.
And you get different varieties of aloo parathas, different tastes.
A dough will be equal to this roll.
Okay.
Okay.
There's a lot in each one.
Yeah, quite a lot. Yeah, I know it's equal parts. And this flour is just wheat flour?
Wheat flour. So just a brush of oil and a dry wheat flour, dry flour.
Oh, wow, like a dumpling. Wow.
So now it is coming up. Why it is coming up?
Fluffing.
Because I just put some oil during stuffing. I just put some oil and then this dry powder. So it helps to release the sides of the parathas. And no oil, just a spoon of oil, and I'm just cooking it on it. So this is ready.
This is what the final outcome is.
Right up.
It's hot, fresh. So much love.
Yes.
Amazing.
There's so many flavors. It's hard to pinpoint the flavors.
Because we didn't cook too much. If you will cook too much, all the flavors will go.
It's seasoned perfectly. It's so much love in it. I've never had a aloo paratha this good before. Because she put so much love, so many flavors, so many seasonings. It's just great. Great way to wake up in the morning. Okay, another thing that they kind of gave us with the paratha is this pepper, pickled peppers. So I'm going to try this with it. I'll be chugging yogurt after this, but there we go. None of the shell. It's great. All the flavors are really great. If you find yourself in Jaipur and you also want to have this experience, these Airbnb hosts offer this as part of the Airbnb package. We will have their information in the description of this video, so definitely reach out to them, give them a buzz if you want to stay with these guys in Jaipur. They were amazing hosts, and we will definitely be trying these guys again when we are back in the next few months. So hope you guys enjoyed watching, and we'll talk to you soon.